Hi everyone, it's Vicente and I teach Spanish on italki.com, and today we will be talking about 5 ways to crack the DELE exam. But before, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube italki channel over here in the red button. This exam, it might look very complicated and difficult, but if you know these 5 tips to crack the exam, it will be really easy for you. Are you ready? The first tip I give you is knowing the kind of activity that you have to do. This exam is divided in 4 different parts, and each part has different kind of activities. So if you know what you have to do in each activity, it will be easier and faster for you to do the activity and get the best results. Reason number 2, prepare the exam with official material. There are many books around there to help you out to pass the DELE exam. So what I recommend you is to take that book and keep practicing. Keep practicing. These books are designed by official examiners and people who has already evaluated students. So trust me, these books are really useful to prepare this exam. Reason number 3, read the exercises in the exam properly. I know this tip, it might look very obvious, but as I said before, all the exercises are different. So try to read them very carefully, because you will miss a very important information in the exercise, and it might, if you don't read them properly, it might take you more time to do the exercise. Tip number 4, repeat the same activity again and again. Why? Because the activity that you practice at home, for example, if you practice activity number 1 in the reading comprehension part, okay, in the exam, the activity is going, the way that the activity looks is going to be exactly the same in the exam. So if you get a professional doing that activity at home, in the exam, it will be easier for you, because the only thing is going to change in the exam is the content of the activity, not the way that they do the activity. Tip number 5, find an official examiner who can help you out. Because the speaking part is very difficult to practice on your own, and if you find a good examiner who has already examined another students or prepared another students, this person will help you to get ready with the speaking activity. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you want to take a Spanish lesson with me on italki.com, you can click on the description. You will find my profile over there. Hasta luego!